Hello, it's December 2019 and I'm alive. I've learned in the last few months about a new exercise, a form of yoga called qoya, and you'll find it at qoya.love, and it's the most joyful, wonderful experience. I'm just starting to learn it, but yesterday I went out for the first time and tried a little bit on the beach. And I'll be quiet now and just show you some of the essence of the experience. Have fun and enjoy. So this year I had 2 full knee replacement surgeries. So it's been just a few months and I'm starting to get out now, walk more, learn to bend my knees, learn to bend, learn to exercise. What's particularly fun about this day yesterday was I was practicing this, a little bit embarrassed, a little bit uncomfortable, really don't know what I'm doing. But I was surrounded by a group of homeless persons, which you can't see, but they were on the beach and they were imitating and mimicking my movements. It was a beautiful sunny day, so it was really fun to make this video for you in that context. You can hear that I'm extremely happy. I'm full of gratitude that I'm still alive, and I share this qoya at qoya.love with you if you want a little bit of freedom of expression and joy and movement, especially for older women. So I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. And obviously, I'm ecstatic that I'm still alive. So many persons that I know have either passed or are very ill. And that makes me so sad. And so as I continue to explore treatments for cancer and alternatives and integrative medicines, I'm looking into the old ancient practices of herbs and spices and practices around the globe. And the best I can do for you is to share what I learned with you. And so in the next few videos I'm going to make in 2019 and 2020, I hope to give you different topics. Water is particularly interesting to me, since 70% of our body is made of water. visiting various sacred places is of great interest, various forms of exercise, and meeting people on airplanes and as I travel and have conversations. So my pledge to you is to share what I learn, because I have the luxury of time to continue to explore this illness, and also I have the joy of having that time, which honestly I never thought I would have. And so again, I hope you enjoy Qoya. I recently discovered it, especially for women. I think it's a wonderful way to move. And if you go on qoya.love, Rochelle, who's the author of this, a creator, she has lots of videos that are just beautiful, that you can enjoy watching, or you can practice along with her. You can go to retreats, you can do training, lots of opportunities. So again, blessings to you, and I will continue to share as I find information that might be relevant or interesting to you as it is to me.